Hello, Ocean Shores people, all North Byron Bay people. It's Charles Crawshaw here in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Been here a couple of years. Oh, look, I don't know if you've seen, but I'm selling my apartment. I'm married now, and so it's our apartment. So my wife and I actually want to disappear this bachelor apartment. 2-bedroom luxury apartment and buy a house where we can grow our own food. So that's fantastic. But anyway, back at selling my apartment is dear Brett McDonald. What a lovely real estate agent he is. He's so much fun. And I said, Brett, I want to sell my luxury 2-bedroom apartment. Luxury? Yes, look, I've got a green screen, I've got spa bath and steam room, I've got air conditioning, double glazing, electric garage door, newly laid flooring, and a brand new kitchen. That's luxury. Anyway, Brett goes, well, yes, I suppose so. Well, maybe, I don't know. We had a good giggle, but what was interesting was that the world of house flipping. Yeah, Brett said, look, the apartment's okay, but really at the end of the day, 25,000 Aussie dollars. If you throw that at this apartment, boom, you've got an opportunity to flip the apartment. So look for, if you guys are house flippers or interested in house flipping, then there's Amy at Sale Funder who helps. So you buy the apartment and then you can approach Sale Funder and they can actually give you a loan for 25,000 to bling it. Buy it, bling it, and then broadcast it, and then off you go in terms of selling the apartment blinged up. Well, there's the message, and look, I'll share the bling message as well, so that you get an idea of that as well. Yeah, so here's the flipping message. flipping flats, the double F. Yeah, look, the thing is, one of the things that obviously Brett's been in the industry for a long time, and so the $25,000 he says is needed for the apartment is really will have some fun with him and you in terms of discussing the possibility of flipping this apartment, and then obviously from a broadcasting point of view, well, nowadays, it's all about all your social media. So, and talking about social media, yeah, look, I'm in Dubai right now. I've been here 2 years, and look, thank you for the messages I've been getting about remembering me bouncing around Ocean Shores for all those years on my bouncy boots. So I've been doing it for 2 years here in Dubai, and a couple of weeks ago, whoa, I got filmed by someone. I get filmed a lot actually because I run around with the United Arab Emirates flag and World Peace Now, Cape, etc. And I got filmed by someone and put on Loving Dubai, LOBINDUBAI Instagram page, 1.3 million followers here in Dubai. And what was beautiful was it wasn't really about me, but what was beautiful is that people go, oh yeah, that guy's running for world peace. So I've been here 2 years and I've got the world peace conversation happening here in Dubai, which is fantastic. We've got the Olympic Games in a couple of weeks' time, so, and Xi Jinping on the 5th of May said global truce for 2 weeks. So look, we've got the Brisbane Olympic Games in 2032, so you guys, you've got boots or you've got something, you've got flags, take a stand, let the media know that you're standing for world peace by the 11th of February 2032 or the 23rd of July 2032, the opening ceremony of the Brisbane Olympic Games, where I'm putting up my hand for bouncy boots and fire breathing. So yeah, I'll share the clip with you about myself in Dubai. I miss you all. I send my love to all of you, and look, I really I'm going to miss Ocean Shores, and it's been a wonderful time. And look at OceanShoresTV.com. I'll throw that in if that helps. Brett, if you're watching this, well, you will watch this, but yeah. Have a TV station out of Ocean Shores. All right. Thanks very much indeed for watching. Have a beautiful week, and let's enjoy the Olympic Games. In the name of world peace now, pass it on. We are it. The new space race. Thank you for watching. And I look forward to some of your comments, perhaps. And thank you for all the responses so far already. Thank you.